and probability normally come as like one, right?
You are right. Look at this here: probability, permutations and combinations, binomial theorem. See, binomial theorem for state board, I mean for CBSE student, they have deleted here. Okay? For CBSE students, they have deleted binomial theorem for like term 1 and term 2 syllabus. I mean, like from your board exam point of view,
Yes,
they have
sir.
deleted. Okay? Like you might be aware of that. But for JEE point of view, you must learn binomial theorem. Such a easy topic and scoreable topic. I'll give you also the topic name where you can find out like easy questions where you can solve in less span of time. You understand my point? Less time and where you can score more marks. And there'll be easy topics which consumes more time. You understood my point? So that topic I'll give you. That topic I'll give you, and we'll make sure that we are moving in that in such a way. You understood? Okay, just a minute. मुझे थोड़ा सा let me give, let me, हाँ, मैंने आपको टॉपिक दे दूंगा. मस्ट डू टॉपिक्स फॉर जेई मेंस. मस्ट डू टॉपिक्स. इसके अलावा इसके अलावा कोई दूसरा टॉपिक्स नहीं सॉल्व करा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस टॉपिक. यू अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट? ट्राई नहीं यू अंडरस्टैंड इफ आई टॉक इन हिंदी समटाइम्स, राइट? అర్థమవుతుంది కదా?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Very good. That's great. So fantastic. Look at this बेटा. Let me give you the topics. देखो मैंने आपको must do topics दूंगा. Must do whatever whatever it is you have to do. That's it. See, I'm just filtering these topics for JEE. देखो ये आपके पास देखो hardly you take nearly you will be having 20 to 25 topics for JEE syllabus from class 11th and from class 12th. If you combine these two classes better, you'll be having hardly 20 to 25 topics where you have to prepare for JEE. So from those 20 to 25 topics, I'm giving you the first 10 topics which are very important. You can't avoid that. Without preparing from that, without preparing for those topics, without solving those topics, without learning those topics, you can't get into JEE exam. ठीक है? दैट टॉपिक्स आई एम गिविंग यू. ठीक है बेटा, आपके समझ में आ रहा है ना? देखो पहला टॉपिक इजी एंड ज्यादा इजी वाला एंड सो नॉट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट टॉपिक इजी वाला एंड स्कोरेबल. ठीक है? सो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस. क्वाड्रेटिक देखो बेटा, एवरीवन टेक अ स्नैप इफ यू वांट टू कॉपी, यू कैन कॉपी. ठीक है? नोट. सेकंड टॉपिक statistics.
I've been seeing quadratic equations for 3 classes for now.
Yeah, I'm telling you just why, because I'm telling
Statistics also, sir.
you. One second.
I see both of these chapters frequently in every class that I attend. I mean, like from 7th class, probably.
Okay.
Mathematical reasoning might be new here.
I'm giving you first what बेटा. देखो ये थोड़ा टॉपिक्स दे रहा हूँ ना मैंने. सीक्वेंस. सीक्वेंस का स्पेलिंग क्या होता है सर? आपको सीक्वेंस स्पेलिंग नहीं पता?
Statistics is easy, but too much calculations, too much big sums, everything.
That's what I'm giving you.
Very easy, but very big. That's statistics.
देखो I'll be giving you the number of questions as well. Don't worry. First, let us write the topic names. Vector and 3D. ठीक है? Vector and 3D. A vector different topic and 3D is a different topic. Vector we have done. 3D we have to start. ठीक है? Yes. So these are JEE topics, guys. इसमें don't again filter that state board and CBSE board. Don't filter it. These are the topics everyone should prepare for. If you are a JEE aspirant, irrespective of your board, if you are a JEE student, if you are a board student, if you are a CBSE student, if you are a ICCSE board, जो भी है, whatever the board you are from, whichever the board you are from, you have to prepare. Why? Because these are the common topics for every JEE aspirant. समझ में आ रहा है ना आपको? People, समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
So next topic is what? Differential calculus. Let me give you the topic names. Yeah, look less. Integral calculus. 9th one, matrix and determinants. Next, inverse, trigonometric functions. Trigo is nothing but trigonometric. Try to understand that.
Trigo is trigonometry.
These are the like best topics, I mean like easy where you must do मतलब must do. इसके अलावा देख, the topic whichever I wrote, beta, these are very easy topics. If you are very good at, out of 25 questions you can easily, as पानी पीते हैं ना, पानी पीता जैसा, लेकिन you can solve very easily 16 to 17 questions easily. 16 questions solve करना out of 25 from these 10 topics alone, it is not as easy, right? It is not easy means it's not a small thing. समझ में आ रहा है? देखो मिनिमम एक क्वेश्चन तो आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा यार. देखो 1 क्वेश्चन, नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. Guys, this filtration, मैंने ये filter कैसा किया? What on what basis you have filtered these topics and giving us? मैंने ये filter किया बेटा based upon the previous year papers. I have been watching the previous year papers. मैंने खुद जेईई का एस्पिरेंट रहा हूँ, तो मुझे भी पता है, ठीक है. Every year questions I have been watching and every year paper have been like cross checked, and मुझे पता चलता है कि like हाँ इस टॉपिक से इतना क्वेश्चन आया था, हाँ ये टॉपिक से इतना क्वेश्चन, इजी वाला क्वेश्चन, हाँ इजी वाला टॉपिक तो इजी हम लोग सॉल्व कर लेंगे, स्कोर कर लेंगे. सो सच टॉपिक्स आई एम गिविंग यू, ठीक है. इधर देखो बेटा, कम से कम आपको डेफिनेटली 1 क्वेश्चन देखने को मिलेगा. डेफिनेट भूल जाओ, लेकिन 1 क्वेश्चन तो कंपलसरी मिल जाएगा. स्टैटिस्टिक्स में से भी 1 क्वेश्चन कंपलसरी, मैथमेटिकल रीजनिंग में से कंपलसरी 1 क्वेश्चन, ठीक है. एंड रिलेशंस में भी 1 क्वेश्चन कंपलसरी. सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज 1 to 2 क्वेश्चन तो कंपलसरी, ठीक है. सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज कंपलसरी. एंड देखो वेक्टर 3D, इसमें से 2 से 3 क्वेश्चन तो कंपलसरी मतलब कंपलसरी. देखो बेटा, ये ध्यान से सुनिए इधर, ये दोनों टॉपिक है ना, ये कौन सा, ये डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस एंड इंटीग्रल, इसमें दोनों में देखो बेटा 8 क्वेश्चन तो कंपलसरी मिलेंगे. देखो कितना बड़ा टॉपिक है, देखो समझ में आ रहा है बेटा. दिस टॉपिक्स आर फॉर CBSE स्टूडेंट्स एंड फॉर दिस फॉर बोथ यू विल बी गेटिंग इन क्लास 12 में मिलेगा आपको ये डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस एंड इंटीग्रल, ठीक है. डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस एंड इंटीग्रल ये कब कहाँ मिलेगा आपको? क्लास 12 में, ठीक है. यू नीड नॉट टू वरी मच अबाउट इट. ऑलराइट, सो 8 क्वेश्चंस मिलेगा दोनों में से, ठीक है. आपको समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस नथिंग बट डिफरेंशिएशन, यू माइट हैव लर्न, राइट? डिफरेंशिएशन, ओके. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस, अच्छा कुछ भी. इन इंटीग्रल में इंटीग्रेशन करके एक चैप्टर होता है, ठीक है. दैट यू विल बी लर्निंग इन क्लास 12 ओनली. सो फ्रॉम दोस टू टॉपिक्स you'll be getting 8 questions. देखो ठीक है, 8 questions मैक्सिमम you will get 8 questions. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? One second, I think someone is waiting in the waiting room. Okay, next, matrices and determinants. बेटा why I'm discussing this? Why? Because आपको भी एक idea मिल जाए. Guys, are you getting any beneficial from this? Or do you think are you getting any benefit from this? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
डेफिनेटली बेटा ये बहुत काम में आएगा, बहुत मतलब बहुत. देखो आपको ऐसा नहीं बोलनी चाहिए कि यस यू हैव टू लर्न एंड यू शुडंट यू शुड नॉट लर्न दिस टॉपिक, ऐसा नहीं बोलनी चाहिए. मगर मैंने ये टॉपिक, इफ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू दिस टॉपिक्स, ध्यान से मतलब बोध में पूरा एकदम दिमाग लगा देना उधर, उसको फाड़ फीड़ के मिल देना वो टॉपिक को, ऐसा होना चाहिए, ठीक है. वो टॉपिक को क्या करना है पूरा एकदम, यू हैव टू बी लाइक, अगर उसको चाकू को हाथ में मिलेंगे तो कैसा कट जाएगा, ऐसा होना चाहिए, शार्प, एकदम शार्प. उसमें कोई क्वेश्चन दे दो भाई, हमने सॉल्व कर लेंगे मतलब कर लेंगे, छोड़ेंगे नहीं, ऐसे होनी चाहिए, ठीक है. समझ में आ रहा है? गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
Yes, sir.
देखो इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में से तो 1 से 2 क्वेश्चन. इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री मतलब इसमें ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का भी कॉन्सेप्ट इन्वॉल्व होता है, ठीक है. देखो अभी रफली कैलकुलेट कर लो बेटा, रफली 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 एंड इसमें से एक 6 ले लो, कितना 13 इधर 3 ले लो, 16 17 18 क्वेश्चंस कवर हो रहा है. देखो ऑन एंड एवरेज, मैं पूरा एग्जैक्टली नहीं गिनाऊं तो एक क्वेश्चन कम से कम मिनिमम क्वेश्चन लिया तो भी 18 आउट ऑफ 25 इधर फ्रॉम दीस टॉपिक्स यू कैन सी 18 भी मत ले लो भाई, 15 तो मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे, 15 क्वेश्चन तो देखने को मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे. हाँ, इसके बाद कौन सा टॉपिक मिस होगा सर? फिर से देखो, एक ले लो प्रोबेबिलिटी, ठीक है. इसके बाद प्रोबेबिलिटी होता है, पीएनसी होता है. पीएनसी का मतलब क्या होता है? परमुटेशंस एंड कॉम्बिनेशंस. और वो भी ले लो, फंक्शंस ले लो, ठीक है. एंड या लाइक व्हाट आर द टॉपिक्स, लाइक स्ट्रेट लाइंस ले लो, उसमें स्ट्रेट लाइंस ले लो, इसके बाद यू कैन सी कोनिक सेक्शंस। कोनिक सेक्शन का मतलब देखो, कोनिक सेक्शन में क्या क्या होता है। कोनिक सेक्शन में 4 पार्ट्स होता है। क्या होता है वो? सर्किल्स, पैराबोला, एलिप्स। क्या बोल रहा है सर ने, क्या बोल रहा है? देखो, एलिप्स एंड हाइपरबोला। हाँ, ये 4 टॉपिक्स में से एक क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे देखने को 100%। ये 4 टॉपिक सीखने से एक क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे, एक या 2 क्वेश्चन। देखो बेटा, 4 टॉपिक सीखना आसान है, या एक टॉपिक सीखना एंड गेटिंग 2 क्वेश्चंस इज वेरी इजी। एक टॉपिक 2 क्वेश्चंस इज वेरी इजी फॉर अस, राइट? यू अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट? बेटा देखो, इंस्टेड ऑफ लर्निंग दिस 4 टॉपिक्स, आई मीन यू शुड लर्न। आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू कैन नॉट लर्न दिस टॉपिक्स। आपको समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू कांट लर्न दिस 4 टॉपिक्स, यू मस्ट लर्न। देखो, ये 4 टॉपिक सीखेंगे तो भी हमको 1 से 2 क्वेश्चन हार्डली मिलेगा। एक देखो, ये यूनिवर्स, ये देखो क्या बोल रहा है मैंने, ये मैट्रिक्स एंड डिटरमिनेंट ले लो, 3 क्वेश्चन तो पक्के मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे। मैट्रिक्स एंड डिटरमिनेंट दोनों चैप्टर से कुल मिला के 3 या 4 क्वेश्चन डेफिनेटली मिलेंगे आपको। समझ में आ रहा है आपको? गेटिंग माय पॉइंट बेटा? हेलो, मैट्रिक्स एंड डिटरमिनेंट एक ही टॉपिक ले लो, उसमें 3 या 4 क्वेश्चन आ रहा है। देखो, ये 4 टॉपिक लेकर क्या करूं मैंने एक क्वेश्चन लेके? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? which should be more prioritized here, which should be the least prioritized? You understood my point? उसीलिए प्रायोरिटाइजेशन इज वेरी वेरी, कब कब प्रायोरिटाइजेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बन जाता है लाइफ में। समझ में आ रहा है बेटा आपको? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
गेटिंग माय पॉइंट और नॉट? देखो, हेलो, यस यस, समवन इज गोना आस्क समथिंग, यस। आपको समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? हेलो, यस। ये टॉपिक को देखो बेटा, कैसा जान लगाना है इसमें, तो हार्ट, यू पुट योर हार्ट एंड सोल, दैट्स इट। पुट योर हार्ट एंड सोल, दैट्स इट, आई एम टेलिंग यू, राइट? इसमें कितना 15 क्वेश्चन। सर मुझे 15 क्वेश्चन नहीं सॉल्व करना है, मुझे 25 और 25 सॉल्व करना है। तो उसके लिए बेटा क्या करना है, तो मैंने बोल रहा हूँ, ये आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट ओनली दीज आर द टॉपिक्स व्हिच यू हैव टू लर्न फॉर जेईई, ऐसा नहीं बता रहा हूँ मैंने, ठीक है? ध्यान से सुनिए व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से हियर। फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गो थ्रू these topics, these are the first priorities topics where you have to, like, these are easy topics and first prioritized topics. Why? Because where you can get easy questions, easy like marks मिलेंगे ये चैप्टर से। मैं जो like 10 topics I have given, right? So from these 10 topics you will get easy questions where you can solve in less span of time. समझ में आ रहा है? You understood my point बेटा? All right, yes or no? हाँ, और एक टॉपिक मिस हो गया, उसका नाम है कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। ऐसा बहुत टॉपिक होता है जो भी, लेकिन फर्स्ट ये 10 टॉपिक तो सीखेंगे हमने पहले। 10 टॉपिक पहले अच्छे से सीखेंगे, ठीक है? ये 10 टॉपिक में नाउ विल जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट, गाइस, am I recording? Yes, we'll just have
Yes,
a
sir,
look
you
at
are.
now what are the topics we need to focus on from class 11th। ठीक है, क्लास 12 का तो छोड़ दो सारा, भी हमने क्लास 11 को अच्छे से सीखना है। क्लास 11 में जो भी टॉपिक है उसको फिल्टर कर दो। देखो, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन एक हो गया, मैथमेटिकल रीजनिंग एक हो गया, रिलेशंस हो गया, सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज हो गया, ठीक है, स्टैटिस्टिक्स हो गया। फॉर सीबीएसई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बात करूँ तो मैट्रिसेस एंड डिटरमिनेंट्स हो गया। सॉरी, मैट्रिसेस एंड डिटरमिनेंट सीबीएसई के लिए क्लास 12 में होगा, ये भी क्लास 12 में हो गया, ठीक है? ये कोनिक सेक्शन ले लो, स्ट्रेट लाइंस ले लो, फंक्शंस ले लो, पी एंड सी ले लो, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर ले लो। देखो, इतना सारा टॉपिक आपको मिल रहा है फ्रॉम क्लास 11th। देखो, अभी जो बोर्ड का स्टूडेंट, अगर इफ यू आर अ बोर्ड स्टूडेंट, वेक्टर्स यू विल बी लर्निंग इन क्लास 11th only, matrices and determinants you will be learning in class 11th only, isn't it? Am I right guys? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
बेटा आपको इधर से देखो, डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस है ना, फ्रॉम दिस डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलेशन वन थर्ड ऑफ क्वेश्चन पेपर। देखो, वन थर्ड ऑफ क्वेश्चन पेपर, देखो बेटा 25 क्वेश्चन में से 8 क्वेश्चन ये 2 टॉपिक से ही मिल रहा है, तो वो तो वन थर्ड ही होगा ना ऑलमोस्ट। गेटिंग माय पॉइंट बेटा? वन थर्ड ऑफ 25 क्वेश्चन, कितना? 8 पॉइंट समथिंग, राइट? 8 पॉइंट समथिंग, मतलब मैंने 8 क्वेश्चन ले लिया। देखो, वन थर्ड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस ऑफ योर एग्जामिनेशन यू विल बी गेटिंग फ्रॉम डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस। ये डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस में क्या क्या आता है? डिफरेंशिएशन आता है, इंटीग्रेशन आता है, एप्लीकेशन। देख, कैलकुलस का जो भी है बेटा, कैलकुलस का जो भी है वो सब कुल मिला के, समझ में आ रहा है? ये कैलकुलस का मतलब क्या होता है? डिफरेंशिएशन हो गया, इंटीग्रेशन हो गया, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स, डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस जो भी है कैलकुलस का अंडर आता है, उसमें से ये 8 क्वेश्चन मिलेंगे हमको। ठीक है 8 क्वेश्चन ध्यान से. सो फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग दीज टू टॉपिक्स परफेक्टली, सो आपको क्या आना चाहिए पहले? डिफरेंशिएशन अच्छे से आना चाहिए. डिफरेंशिएशन यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेरी गुड एट डिफरेंशिएशन. डिफरेंशिएशन इज लाइक एलकेजी बच्चा को पढ़ा देंगे तो भी सीख जाएगा, इतना आसान होगा. इजंट इट? differentiation guys, differentiation isn't it easy topic? Differentiation you have to learn very easily. It is a very easy for understanding this topic, and this topic you have to be very very good at differentiation. आपको पहले डेरिवेटिव का मतलब क्या होना चाहिए, डेरिवेटिव का मतलब क्या होता है, first you have to understand that. Getting my point? You understood or not? Hello
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Please, everyone take a snap of this, or you just copy if you want. ओके मतलब इसके अलावा दूसरा टॉपिक भी पढ़ना है हमको, मगर फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी शुड गोस टू दिस टॉपिक्स. ओके उसके बाद प्रोबेबिलिटी कर लो, परम्यूटेशन एंड कॉम्बिनेशन कर लो. मतलब एवरी टॉपिक विल बी टीचिंग हियर. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट विल बी टीचिंग ओनली द टॉपिक्स व्हिच यू हैव रिटन फर्स्ट. नो नो नो, नेवर, not like that. I'll be
Sir, can
teaching.
you scroll down a bit?
Yes, I'll be sharing these notes. Why you are worrying? I'll be sharing these notes. Don't
Okay,
worry.
sir. Okay.
Fine. Okay, is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, हमने वेक्टर्स तो कर लिया भाई. Tell me which topic shall we start today?
Sir, 3D geometry.
That's a fun chapter.
Okay. See, I'm asking for 3D geometry for CBSE. It will be in class 12. In class 11,
No, sir. CBSE has class 11. We just
Yeah.
finished it at
Yes.
school.
Wait. Let me complete. You have in class 11. I'm not saying that you have only in class 12. You also have in class 11, but
Very small,
tiny,
sir.
Very small. That's what I'm trying to say. Major concept. उसमें वो small topic से आपको JEE question नहीं मिलेगा. अंजलि जी, समझ में आ रहा है आपको? You won't get
Yes, sir.
JEE question from that class 11. अम्मा easy marks. हाँ. Never. You will not get from that. XYZ axis तो उसमें apart from XYZ axis, what you have from class 11? Tell me.
Nothing, sir.
Nothing.
It was very
Distance
easy.
formula, distance formula, section formula, जो भी है वो everything it is there. So from there you will not get a question. The question wherever you get, that is from class 12. The JEE question where you get that topic would be from class 12.
Sir, conic sections.
Conic section भी बहुत important है. Conic section भी बहुत important है. Shall we go through conic section circles?
Yes, sir.
How many of you okay with the circles, beta?
Sir, it's okay, sir.
I'm okay with it, sir.
Circles is a very fantastic topic.
Yeah.
Fantastic topic. बहुत बड़ा
And calculation topic also.
No, बहुत easy है बेटा. Calculation नहीं होता उसमें. बहुत
I'm saying time to get calculation practice, sir.
थोड़ा.
Sir, can we do conic sections first?
हाँ, then circle, conic section में ही circles, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola आता है. तो पहले circle सीखना है. तो पहले circle सीखना.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Circles is nothing. Pi r square and everything.
Yeah.
Fun chapter.
Sai Niyati, what do you say, beta?
Sir,
Can
if
you-
everybody's okay, then they can raise their.
Niyati, are you here, Niyati? Okay. So major of like class students are giving me to go through circles. So let us have a look at circles. Then today circles हम लोग सीख लेंगे. ठीक है guys, let me tell you till so far हमने क्या क्या complete कर लिया. ठीक है, we have done with quadratic equations, statistics, mathematical reason yet to finish, relations, sequence and series, vectors, इसमें differentiation, matrices and determinants we didn't go through. We'll just inverse trigonometry we didn't, probability we didn't, permutation and we didn't, functions we did, and in class 12 also we'll be having functions, straight lines we didn't, conic section में कुछ नहीं पढ़ा, complex number we finished. ठीक है, these are the topics we have gone through बेटा. ठीक है, I'm saying that we have gone through is doesn't mean that we finished 100%. We have covered the syllabus. What is syllabus? ठीक है, and if there any topic missing with बेटा, you just come up with that topic. I'm ready to teach that topic. ठीक है, कोई भी topic miss हो गया, आपको लगता है ऐसा कोई भी एक topic miss हो गया, कोई एक if you're unable to solve a question, they can come to me and just ask. No problem, we'll teach it. Okay, and guys, we have covered as per our best. Now all you have to do is practice as many questions as possible. ठीक है, yes, we'll go through circles. Today हम लोग circles शुरू करेंगे, circle बनाएंगे. बेटा circles देखो बेटा, पहले हम उसका नाम क्या है, conic section, right? Conic sections. ये conic section है ना, conic section. Look at this, a cone. Cone ice cream कितना आदमी खाया था? Like how many of you have, how many of you had कोन आइसक्रीम, ठीक है। हाँ, ऐसा कोन ले लो बेटा, कोन का नीचे पार्ट देखेंगे तो लाइक नो द ग्राउंड पार्ट ऑफ द कोन गिव्स यू व्हाट, सर्किल, इजंट इट? The ground part of the circle, the ground part of the cone gives you what, circle, isn't it? Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, exactly. So ध्यान से सुनिए everyone. I'm starting, I'm in starting stage of this topic, so everyone must learn this topic. ठीक है, everyone must learn this topic very carefully. हमने बहुत easy, आसान, like very in easy way we are going to learn, very easy way. ध्यान से सुनना है बस, आपको क्या करना है, ध्यान से सुनना है, अपने carefully have to learn, that's it. Carefully have to listen the class. So down part of the cone is what, circle, ठीक है। हाँ, अगर आपको थोड़ा सा ये सर्किल का हो गया, सर्किल यही तो बोलता है सर्किल, इसी को बोलता है सर्किल। एक राउंड अंडा बना देंगे तो वही सर्किल हो जाएगा। हाँ देखो बेटा, ये है ना, अगर if I pinch, if I just tear the small piece of paper in this way, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा ऐसे मैंने कट कर दिया, थोड़ा क्रॉस करके पेपर को ऐसा फोल्ड करके, you can just tear in a U shape, right? U shape में you can tear it, isn't it? You getting my point?
Yes, sir.
आप पेपर लेकर ट्राई कर लो, ये इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है सर पेपर को कैसा टीयर कर रहा है, पेपर का नीचे पार्ट क्या होता है, पेपर का ऊपर पार्ट क्या होता है, पेपर का पूंछ क्या होता है, मुंह क्या होता है, ऐसे नहीं पूछेंगे एग्जाम में। आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू हाउ, आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग श्योर दैट आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मेक यू गाइस आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मेक यू गाइस आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इन अ बेटर वे, ठीक है। एक कोन में से, एक कोन में ही सर्किल आता है, एलिप्स आता है, पैराबोला आता है, हाइपरबोला आता है, ऑल दिस टॉपिक्स कम्स अंडर कोन, एवरी टॉपिक कम्स अंडर कोन ओनली, कोन आइसक्रीम। अगर कोन आइसक्रीम को ले लो, उसको नीचे पार्ट का ऑब्जर्व करो, सर्किल मिल जाएगा, साइड का पार्ट यू जस्ट इफ यू टीयर अ पेपर इन अ साइड वे, दैट गिव्स यू व्हाट, दिस सिंबल और दिस सिंबल और दिस सिंबल और दिस सिंबल, इसी को बोलता है क्या बोलता है, पैराबोला। इसको क्या बोलते हैं, पैराबोला, ठीक है। अगर मैंने क्या कर दिया, देखो, इफ यू टीयर द पेपर इन दैट यू शेप एंड जस्ट अ मिनट गाइस, अरे यार क्या हो रहा है, हाँ यस या परफेक्ट, प्लीज। हाँ देखो बेटा, मैंने क्या किया आपको, down part circle I told, if you just take across part of that you will get what do you call that, parabola I told you। हाँ, parabola nothing but what, देखो आपको ये मिल जाएगा ना, you might have seen this type of houses, hut, how many have you seen huts? हट का मतलब समझते हो ना, हट का डोर कैसा होता है, दिस इज हाउ द हट डोर विल बी, दिस गिव्स यू व्हाट, पैराबोला सिंबल। देखो ध्यान से, मैंने आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू गाइस हाउ द पैराबोला सिंबल विल बी, हट डोर का, द डोर ऑफ द हट विल बी पैराबोला, ऑलराइट। हाँ नाउ मैंने कोन को क्या कर दिया, आई जस्ट, आपको मैंने क्या कर दिया, पैराबोला नथिंग बट व्हाट, देखो दिस इज व्हाट अ पैराबोला इज, पैराबोला, ठीक है। हाँ मैंने क्या कर दिया, अभी देखो कोन आइसक्रीम को थोड़ा ऐसा पलट दिया, आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग दैट द कोन जस्ट टेकिंग रिवर्स वे। हाँ देखो, इफ यू टेक फ्रॉम साइड, थोड़ा टीयर करके थोड़ा ओपन कर दो पेपर को ओपन कर देंगे तो आपको ये सिंबल मिल जाएगा, दिस इज व्हाट एलिप्स, दिस इज व्हाट एलिप्स, एलिप्स सिंबल, एलिप्स का सिंबल होता है थोड़ा ये इन अंडे शेप, दिस सिंबल, this ellipse is not nothing but guys, ellipse is not nothing but a circle here, this and this both are different, ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है, यस। हाँ अगर हाइपरबोला क्या होता है, अगर दो कोण को क्या कर दो, देखो दो कोण, एक ऐसा कोण होगा मेरा, दिस इज व्हाट माय कोण हियर, दिस इज वन कोण, दिस इज वन कोण हियर, दिस इज वन कोण हियर, ठीक है। दो कोण को मैंने ऐसा ऊपर और नीचे बिठा दिया, ठीक है। हाँ मैंने क्या कर दिया, देखो बेटा, अभी just take what do you call that, if you just take if you cut the paper in a U shape, ऐसा and ऐसा, ठीक है, from this you can cut like this, from the upper cone you can cut like this, ठीक है। or else cone को ऐसा भी देखो, you can just take a cone like this as well, right, ऐसा तो भी ले लेंगे तो इधर से ये शेप में कट करेंगे, इधर से ये शेप में कट करेंगे, तो लेकिन अल्टीमेटली व्हाट वुड यू गेट, दिस इज हाउ यू विल गेट, इसी को बोलता है हाइपरबोला, देखो इसी को बोलता है हाइपरबोला, ये क्या होता है, हाइपरबोला। आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द सिंबल्स, उसका सिंबल कैसा होता है, ठीक है, कॉन्सेप्ट एंड एवरीथिंग विल लर्न इन डिटेल में, एक एक करके हम लोग सीखेंगे, पहला सर्किल, उसके बाद पैराबोला, उसके बाद एलिप्स, उसके बाद हाइपरबोला, ठीक है। सो दिस इज हाउ द हाइपरबोला सिंबल विल बी, दिस इज हाउ द एलिप्स सिंबल विल बी, दिस इज द पैराबोला सिंबल, दिस इज सर्किल सिंबल, ठीक है। ऑल दिस गाइस कम्स फ्रॉम वेयर, ऑल दिस गाइस कम्स फ्रॉम वेयर, फ्रॉम कोनिक सेक्शन, ठीक है, कोनिक सेक्शन से मुझे क्या क्या मिलेगा, सर्किल, पैराबोला, हाइपरबोला, एलिप्स. सो अंडर द कोनिक सेक्शन आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू टुडे सर्किल्स. व्हाट इज सर्किल्स? इज इट क्लियर? सर्किल्स. Is it clear, people? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear so far whatever we have gone through, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Guys, am I talking
sir.
fast? Am I talking
No,
fast?
sir, you're perfectly fine.
Am I talking fast? Is there any clash? Is there any disturbance
sir.
from my side? Is there
Nope.
any,
No, sir.
is there anything?
No, sir.
Very good. Is there anything something like आपको कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है बेटा, कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आएगा तो immediately you can raise your voice. You can raise your voice. You can voice over on it. Yes, sir, I didn't understand this. Can you come back again? Or sir, can you go a bit slow? Or sir, can you just come back? Can you come through this question once again? You can ask me. Absolutely, you have a responsibility to ask. You have a right to ask. There is nothing like अरे यार सर कुछ भी समझ लेगा, मैंने डाउट पूछूंगा, ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा. नेवर नेवर. व्हाई? बिकॉज आई हैव बीन थ्रू द सिचुएशन वेयर यू आर राइट नाउ, इजंट इट? मुझे लेकिन बचपन से ही मुझे कोई मैथमेटिशियन नहीं बना दिया ना, बचपन से मैं भी सीखा, मैंने सीख कर ही यहाँ आया. ठीक है, उसीलिए आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट एवरीवन यू शुड आस्क. ऐसा होगा तो क्या होगा? ठीक है सर, ये क्यों आ रहा है, ये कैसा आया, प्लस क्यों आया, माइनस क्यों आया, ये इक्वेशन कहाँ से मिला, वो हमें पूछ लेंगे. आई विल बी हियर टीचिंग यू व्हाट एग्जैक्टली रिक्वायर्ड फॉर योर जेईई. हम अननेसेसरी नहीं पढ़ेंगे बेटा. Learning for JEE is all about how smartly you are approaching towards the concept, how smartly you are finishing up the things. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कुछ भी पढ़ लो रैंडमली एंड एग्जाम में जाके बैठो, कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, अंडा मिलेगा, 0 मार्क्स ये मिलेगा लास्ट में. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. स्मार्ट वे, देयर विल बी अ स्मार्ट वे, यू हैव टू मूव इन दैट स्मार्ट वे. उस स्मार्ट तरीके से हम लोग पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, यस. And look at this first, circles. Without any delay, we'll start. Circles तो सबको पता है. What is circle? क्या होता है? Circle का मतलब होता है the locus of points which are at a fixed distance. देखो मैंने आपको बताऊंगा इसका मतलब क्या होता है. देखो ये सर्किल होगा मेरा, ठीक है, ये सर्किल, ये होगा मेरा सेंटर. This is I'm denoting with a C. From center to any point on the circle, this is what radius. We have learned in 1947 this concept, isn't it? हमने बचपन में पढ़ा था, isn't it? Very simple.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Very simple. Yes. 1947 we have learned. Sir, क्या बात कर रहे हो? Just look at this. The locus of points which are at a fixed distance from a I'm writing somewhat fast. Are you able to understand my handwriting or not?
Yes, sir.
हाँ देखो इधर फिक्स्ड पॉइंट बोल रहा हूँ मैंने. व्हाट इज फिक्स्ड पॉइंट? फिक्स्ड पॉइंट इज सेंटर and fixed distance is what? Fixed distance is what? Radius. मैंने समझाऊंगा. I will explain you again. Look at this here. What is, look at this here, the locus of points which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. The locus of points, look at this here. From center, these all are points. How circle कहाँ से बना इधर? देखो, collection of all these points. मैंने क्या बोलते हैं इसको? मुग्गू. तेलुगु में बोलते हैं मुग्गू, हिंदी में पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं. ठीक है, हाँ. If I join all these dots, I'll just come through a circle like this, isn't it? हाँ, ये dots कहाँ से है? This is my center here. ये center से all these dots are equidistant or not? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it, people? Yes. From the center से all the dots which you have drawn there, they are in fixed distance. उसी को बोल रहा हूँ मैंने. देखो, a locus of points which are at a fixed distance from a fixed point. ये fixed point है इधर. ये fixed point से fixed distance है, isn't it? Fixed constant distance. We have a constant distance from a fixed point. We have a fixed distance from a fixed point. Guys, there is nothing like rocket science. Very simple. समझ लिए? ठीक है? Yes. Either fixed point is what here? What is fixed point? Center. What is fixed distance here? Radius. ये बहुत छोटी बात. Isn't it, people? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes. Now we'll move to one important thing, that is center radius form. अगर center radius form का मतलब क्या होता है? देखो, एक सर्किल ले लो. You take a circle here. You can take a circle here. हाँ, देखो बेटा, ये सेंटर होगा मेरा. सेंटर, आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग सेंटर एज एनीथिंग लाइक h का मार्किंग. ओके, आई एम टेकिंग एनी पॉइंट ऑफ द सर्किल व्हिच इज, आई एम टेकिंग p को मैंने कुछ भी मान लिया. आई एम टेकिंग p एज अ x, y. ठीक है, सो कैन आई जॉइन दिस c एंड p नाउ? Isn't it? Absolutely yes. बेटा मुझे थोड़ा लाइन ड्रा करने नहीं आ रहा है सब। हाँ देखो, ठीक है, CP, ठीक है, C क्या है इधर, व्हाट इज C हियर, C H comma K, H, so why do we need to take H comma K only? अरे भाई कुछ भी ले लो, I'm taking H comma K, I'm denoting with H comma K. Center, let's say that center is what, H comma K. हाँ, what is radius here, बताओ मुझे, tell me what is radius here, come on, you must say what exactly the radius, what is radius here, come on बेटा, यही होता है ना रेडियस, CP डिस्टेंस, CP is equal to
CP
radius,
distance.
CP is equal to radius, डरना
Yes.
मत guys, don't be scary, don't be frightened, don't be afraid of saying answer, even it is a wrong, no problem, you tell the answer, even it is wrong, that is fine, absolutely. CP is equal to what here, R, CP is equal to R,
CP.
CP मैंने क्या बोल रहा हूँ, CP is nothing but what, distance between center and point, isn't it, point, distance between center and point, isn't it? CP का मतलब क्या होता है, center, distance between 2 points, isn't it? Now I'm talking about 2 points here.
Yes, sir.
CP is nothing but what here, distance between C and P. Distance between 2 points फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, ये मेरा होगा x1 y1 x2 y2, फॉर्मूला लगाएगी नहीं, लगा देंगे
X2 minus
x2
X1 whole
minus
square.
x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square,
Yes.
नहीं तो y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square. देखो, so क्या, what would I get here, x2 is nothing but what, x minus x1, what is x1 here,
H
whole
whole
square
square plus
y
Y minus K whole
whole
square.
square. देखो ये क्या हो जाएगा मेरा, ये क्या हो जाएगा, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स. नाउ लुक एट इट हियर, नाउ r is equal to what I got here, this is what I got, r is equal to what I got now, r is equal to square root of x minus h whole square
X
plus y
minus
minus
H whole square plus Y
हाँ
minus K whole
सर,
square.
हाँ हमेशा देखो बेटा, whenever you have square root, हमको थोड़ा इचिंग जैसा लगता है, मुझे तो अच्छा नहीं लगता इसको, ये रूट रहेंगे तो थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन के लिए बहुत दिक्कत होगा ना, इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, फॉर अवॉइडिंग स्क्वायर रूट व्हाट आई हैव टू डू,
Squaring on both sides.
देखो थोड़ा सा बचपन में सीखे थे हम लोग, isn't it? Squaring on both sides, मुझे क्या मिल जाएगा, देखो what would I get बेटा here, Tanish,
X minus
speaker,
H
are you
whole
guys able to understand here? Yes,
Yes, sir.
perfect. देखो if I do squaring on both sides, मुझे क्या मिलेगा, ये square root that will go and that will go off, and just what would you remain with now, r square is equal to what, you'll be having x minus h whole square plus
X
y
minus H
h.
square plus Y minus K whole square.
Now what did you understand from this? Whenever I ask you center radius form का मतलब मुझे ये बताना है, देखो center
Okay,
radius, ठीक है, whenever I ask you, मैंने प्रूव करके बता दिया center radius कैसा है मुझे, like I just proved and explained you how I got center radius form, ठीक है, center radius, why I'm saying center radius, either I have radius here and h comma के center, उसीलिए इसका नाम बना है, उसका दादी ने नाम दिया है उसको क्या, सेंटर रेडियस फॉर्म, ठीक है, समझ रहे गाइस, यू अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट
Yes,
हियर,
sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
सेंटर रेडियस फॉर्म का मतलब क्या होता है, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, ठीक है, यस. Now we'll talk about standard equation. What is that? Standard equation. पहले standard equation of circle. Standard equation of what? Circle. Standard equation of circle. अगर guys be careful here, आप you guys are going to tell me the answer now. अगर मेरे पास देखो बेटा, मेरे पास ये क्या है, सेंटर origin है, if my center is origin like 0, 0 and I have a point P here, कुछ भी ले लो, x, y का coordinate, I took a point called x, y, ठीक है, हाँ. Now what is CP here, बताइए मुझे, what is CP here? What is CP here? What is CP बेटा?
Radius.
Radius, very simple. Now how can I find out here CP again?
X square plus y square
Same
through all
formula,
root.
same formula, square distance between 2 points formula लगा देंगे. So can I substitute now? Can I substitute, guys? Look at this. Here everything is same. Can I apply this formula now?
Yes, sir.
This is what 0 is what h. One more 0 is
H.
what k. Now
K.
substitute in this formula. That's it. Your answer is gonna very easy, right? X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Isn't it? Am I correct? R square.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
R square is there. R square. Be careful. R square. Isn't it? Yes, R square is equal to this one. So मुझे क्या मिला देखो, R square is equal to x square. X minus 0 whole square तो x square is right. Y square. So x square plus y square is equal to R square. This is what? What is this? Standard form
Standard
of
standard form of
Standard-
standard equation of circle.
standard form of a circle. Which circle? The circle which has center 0, 0. You understood my point? Circle which has center 0, 0. अगर मैंने पूछा standard equation of circle which has center h, k, equation क्या होता है? This one. Standard equation of a circle with center h, k. This is standard equation of a circle with center 0, 0. ठीक है, समझ गया? Getting my point? If I have center h, k, this is the formula is going to be. If my center is 0, 0, this is the formula is going to be. ठीक है, समझ रहे हैं or not? People, are you able to understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Very very simple. देखो basic ये आपको समझ में आना चाहिए. So what is standard equation of a circle? Standard equation of a circle क्या होता है? This is the standard equation of a circle. This is the standard equation of a circle and AB standard equation of a circle. This is a standard equation of a circle with a center h, k.
H,
This is a standard. This is also a standard equation of a circle with center 0, k.
center 0, 0.
Both are standard equation only. ठीक है? Both are standard equation only. But क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Center here, center is varying here. Get my point? अगर h, k होगा तो that the green color box and अगर center 0, 0 होगा तो this one x square plus y square is equal to r square. ठीक है? Hope it is clear to you all. हाँ. Isn't it, people? Now I'll be giving you very very simple question. Very 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 लड्डू का सवाल. देखो, find the center and radius. Find the center and radius of the circle called. He has given a circle. What circle is that? X minus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 20. Just tell me that by looking within second you must give the answer. What is center and what is radius? Center ఏంటిది, radius ఏంటిది? Center क्या है, radius क्या है?
Sir, center x, y.
x, y ఎట్లా వచ్చింది? సెంటర్ ఏంటిది బావ? 5, 3 ఇక్కడ. రేడియస్ ఏంటిది?
Okay, yes, sir. X, y.
రేడియస్ is equal to what?
20.
Not 20, root 20.
Root 20.
That is what the mistake you make here. Look at it here. If I compare the given equation as like this. This is my standard equation of a circle, isn't it? What is center here? h, k. h, k place లో ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? 5, 3 కదా ఉన్నది.
Yes,
That is
sir.
what I have. Isn't it, people? Hello guys, isn't it? In place of
Yes,
h, k, this is what the thing I have, isn't it? Radius. Radius is nothing but what here? R square. In place of R square, what I have here? 20. I'm asking you not R square. I'm asking you for R. Root 20.
Root 20.
Isn't it a simple thing, guys? Hello guys. So whenever
Yes, sir.
you get this type of question, I'm sure you will not get. Even you fall from 10th floor of building, you will not get this type of question. That's for sure. Very easy question. कौन पूछेगा यार? No one will ask. But for समझाने के लिए, for understanding, we will start solving the question from basic level. From basic level. थोड़ा हमने क्या करेंगे? उसका concept, we will just increase the depth of the concept. We'll increase the depth of the question level, everything. If I go straight away to the advanced level question, you will not able to understand. So that is the reason we have to go from the basic level. Okay? Yes. Now I'll ask you a question. Now I'll ask you a question that find the equation of a circle with center at origin and radius 4. Guys, try to understand the question. In the previous question, he was asking for center and radius. In this question, he is asking for equation of a circle with the center, origin, radius. He has given center and radius. Look at it. What is the center here?
0, 0.
0, 0. What is radius here? Very good.
4.
4. Now, can't you find out equation of a circle here? What is the formula?
X square plus y square.
Is equal to r square.
R square.
X square is what here? X square nothing. X square plus.
X square plus y square is equal to 16.
Very good. X square plus y square is equal to r square means 4 square. X square plus y square is equal to 16. Or you can write this as x square plus y square minus 16 is equal to 0. ठीक है? Yes. So how did we get this? See, this was the formula for everything. This is a formula for everyone. This is a formula for everyone. This is a formula. This is standard equation. हाँ, इधर देखो center. What he has given, center 0,0. तो इसमें 0 लगा दो बस. Isn't it, people? 4 square. So x square plus y square minus 16 is equal to 0. This is also correct. Clear? But straight away we took this. Clear? Guys, what is the standard equation of a circle? This one. देखो ये standard equation of a circle. This is standard equation of a circle with center h, 0. This is standard equation of a circle with the center 0, 0. With the center 0, 0. Okay. With the center radius form, this center radius form, or you can say that standard equation of a circle with the center h, k. ठीक है? This is a common formula for every circle. Common formula. ठीक है? अगर 0 center 0, 0 होगा तो this will be my center. अगर h, k होगा तो this one. ठीक है? Clear? Yes. So yes. So this is what the today's JEE session is all about. And now we will continue this class for a few more minutes, and I'll be talking to the students who got less marks in yesterday's exam in a while. ठीक है? All right, people. I'll be talking to the students who got less marks in yesterday's test. I'll be also talking to the students those who have not attempted. No problem. I'm not gonna scold anyone. I'm not gonna point out. I'm not gonna demotivate anyone here. Yes. Why? Because if I don't ask, you will not come through the exam. You will not go through the exam, and you will not at least look at the paper. It is my responsibility to ask. Hope you understand. And guys, exams are being conducted. Exams are conducting for the sake of your life, for you guys, for making you to get good ranks. There is absolute nothing wrong in attempting exam. Even if you get 0, no problem. Yes, I understood. People got, those who got single digit mark. No problem. There is need not to feel shy in that. No problem. Absolutely, it happens to everyone. Okay, those who got good marks, congratulations for them. Those who got less marks, for you also congratulations. At least you try to attempt. At least you try to go and fight to the question paper, right? Yes, that is very good thing. See, going to the question paper, attempting it, very important. Okay, rather than not attempting, rather than scaring up the question paper and simply sitting at home, better you go and attempt the question paper, right? That would be a better thing, right? So many of you did that. Congratulations, children. And those who have not solved it, I request every one of you again, please go through the question paper again. Try solving the problems. Those who have not solved, those who have not attempted the test, take it as a worksheet. Take it as a challenge. Check yourself. Yes, this was the question paper sir has conducted on Sunday. So if at all I attempt it now, if at all I just write it, how many questions am I getting correct? How many questions I'm making mistake? What exactly the mistake I'm going through? ठीक, ये सब आपको पता होना चाहिए. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा आपको? Guys, getting my point or not? Hello, how's the Josh? Sticker?
Sir, get
Yes, Pravalika, tell me.
understood, sir.
Yes, people, are you understanding? Sticker, how is the Josh?
Understood, sir.
Josh, understood? I'm asking how is the Josh?
Sir, Josh, I don't know, sir, what that means.
I thought you know that. Josh का मतलब होता है that enthusiasm. Don't you know the meaning of Josh? Enthusiasm. How is enthusiasm? Have you watched a movie called Uri? No. The Uri surgical strike.
Yes, sir.
Yes. How is the Josh? High, sir. That's the that is the dialogue everyone should follow here. Everyone, your Josh should be always high. You have to be so enthusiastic in the class, as enthusiastic as possible. Try always focusing on the class. Always
Yes,
focus.
sir.
Give your best. You understood my point? And make sure that one more thing, make sure that you guys are doing. I'm just keep on repeating one thing. If you are not at all attempting a question paper, if you're not at all writing an exam, please do inform us in prayer. please do inform us in prayer so that we'll have an idea, those who are writing, those who are not writing. And don't make us that, after downloading the result, after announcing the result, don't make us to go through the absentees list. Please don't do that. If you're not attempting, if you're not in a position to attempt, please do not drop a message to us directly. That is the number one thing you have to do. Number two thing, you can't give me simple excuses, please. I'm sorry, I will not accept. In every week you can't be like, yes, 1 week, you might have, you might not have attempted because of your other busy stuff, busy schedule, whatever you say. But it won't happen every time, right? Every time it won't happen. Yes, emergency cases में एक या दो बार हो सकता है, मगर हमेशा नहीं हो सकता, हमेशा होना नहीं चाहिए, नहीं होनी चाहिए ऐसा, ठीक है? हमेशा हो रहा है तो आपके पास थोड़ा गलत है, ठीक है? आपके पास थोड़ा गलती है. You are completely irresponsible if it is happening. So you understand my point? Are you guys getting my point? Hello guys. If you are just not attempting every week test, absolutely there is a mistake from your end. You guys are having a mistake from your side. Every week ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हो सकता है. That is an excuse. ठीक है, that is an excuse. You are trying to give an excuse. Beta, if you are an JEE aspirant or whatever the NEET aspirant, whatever the competitive exam aspirant, you can't give an excuses. Excuses के अलावा कुछ भी दे सकते हो, I'll be accept, but you can't give me excuse. हाँ, emergency case I can understand, but sir मेरा internet नहीं चल रहा था, my internet was not good, I was out of the home, and और कुछ भी बोलते रहता है, मेरा डिवाइस नहीं काम कर रहा था. these statements are banned. इसको मैंने बैन कर दिया, ठीक है? ये नहीं, अभी कभी भी नहीं बोल सकते हो आप. You never say me that sir my device is not working, I'm out of the station. हाँ भाई, तो आप कहाँ भी रहो, wherever you are, try to attempt it, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, ठीक है? सर I couldn't able to attend the test, could you please send me the question paper? At least ऐसा पूछो, I'll send it again. You can just send your answers to me personally, I'll correct it and give it to you. But no one is doing that. What's happening here? Why it is happening? Tell me. Come on. Yes, I would like to know from Niyati. Niyati, did you attempt Niyati yesterday?
No, sir, I didn't.
Why?
I didn't know there was a test, sir.
You didn't know that?
I didn't know we had one, sir.
You didn't know that you had an exam. Okay. What about Anjali?
Sir, I attempted, right?
Very good. You attempted. I'm sorry. You got good percentage also. I think 93.75. Congratulations on that. Yes, Adesha, congratulations to you as well. I think you got 95%. Yes. Devanshika, have you? Hello.
Yes, sir, I attempted.
Attempted, no problem. Even you got less marks, no problem. Fine. May I know, Devanshika, where you felt difficulties? What are the difficulties you gone through, and what were the reason? What was the reason behind not getting good marks? Friendly, you can tell me, sir. Sir, that is the reason I couldn't go through, sir. No problem. I'll make sure that next time I'll get it. Yes. Tell me, what is the problem?
Sir, I thought paper was hard, sir.
Paper was hard. Okay.
Yes, sir. For me.
For you, right? Okay. And so for that, what can you do? Actually, for that, what can you do? I mean, like, how can you just come across to that particular phase? You are in that phase right now, right? That phase. That
Yes, sir. I
yes,
have to practice a lot, sir.
yes, you are in that zone. You are in a zone called you are feeling difficult when you look at the question, which means what you have to do? You just make sure that yes, absolutely, you are brilliant. You are very brilliant at maths. I know that. Yes, I can understand when I'm talking, when I'm just in the class, I'm sure you have a pretty good knowledge. I'm sure. I'm not, saying simply here. Why? Because I know who all are very good, who all are average, who all are low here. Why? Because I have been taking the classes from many days, right? So I can understand. I can just, sense it. So yes, Devanshika, you have brilliant knowledge, but you have to make sure that you are utilizing it properly. You are grabbing that opportunity with both hands properly. Okay? You understood my point, Devanshika?
Yes, sir.
So practice a lot. I'm not asking you to practice a lot is nothing, but I'm not asking you to solve dump of problems every day. Isn't it? Is that the case every day? No, right?
No, sir.
No. Just solve 4 to 5 problems every day. 4 to 5 problems, hardly like 10 problems. If you are getting boost up from those problems, you can solve 20 problems also, no problem. but try to be in contact to the subject. ठीक है, कोई problem नहीं. No, I'm not saying that you couldn't solve the problems, which means like, you know, you haven't, you have, you know, or like, you know, problem with, you know, what do you call that, you know, subject and all. It is not the case. You have, but the thing is, the way you approach was, the way you approach towards the question might have gone wrong. Make sure that you are just coming from that, you know, pace and just getting into in a better way for the next time. How can you go? How can you go in a better zone? By solving many questions. As simple as that. That is the only way. Hard work is the only key where you get a success. There is no shortcut for success. You understood my point, Devansika? I'm telling everyone
Yes,
here.
sir.
I'm not telling Devansika alone here. Hard work is the only key where you get a success. You can't find shortcuts. Like, you know, for solving the questions, we'll find a shortcut sometimes, right? You can't find out such shortcuts to get a success. I'm sure. Okay? So hope you understood, Devansika. Tanishq. Coming to Tanishq. Tell me, Tanishq, what is your opinion on the question paper? How did you feel? What are the difficulties you've gone through? See, this is a common question to everyone. Tanishq. See, you must talk, Tanishq.
Sir, I will attempt next week, sir.
Did you write or was there any?
No, sir.
You did not write. Okay. So no problem. So guys, look at this here. Next week, what I'll do is I'll conduct a test on circles or like vectors only. If you want me to conduct vectors, again I'll conduct, but circles I'll be giving you the basic questions. Let's see how many of you will crack those basic questions. At least basic questions is like, you know, where you get the whatever the concept we have gone through, from that concept I'll be giving you. Okay, let's see how many of you will solve that. I'll be conducting circles till whatever we finish. From that I'll be giving you till whatever we go through. From that I'll be giving you, and from vectors also I'll be giving you one topic. Let's say like, you know, first we have gone through, like, you know, like one topic you have, right? You know, first of basics, like, you know, types of vector, unit vector, types of vector. From the types of vector, from the dot product, from the cross product, from the, you know, scalar triple product. All right, you have, you know, individual topics, right? I'll be giving you a dot product for the upcoming Sunday. Are you guys here listening here? Dot product.
Yes, sir.
And circles till whatever we go through. I'm sure circles I'll be not going much deep, but dot product I'll be going somewhat, like, you know, somewhat deeper. Whatever we have solved in the class, so I'll be testing upon those topics. Okay, dot product as well as circles, till what we finish, till what we finish by Saturday class. Sunday you have exam, right? So till Saturday's class, whatever you finish, that I'll be giving it to you. Okay, so 2 more classes. I'm going to take 2 more classes, Thursday, Saturday, right? In these 2 classes, today's class, Thursday's class, Saturday's class, whatever I finish in these 3 classes, I'll be asking from the circles. I'll be asking from that part. But dot product fully you have to go through. Dot product, just make sure that you are going through dot product formulas. क्या formulas होता है dot products में? Dot product में हम लोग how can I find out dot product of 2 vectors? Try to know at least that. ठीक है, एंगल बिटवीन 2 वेक्टर्स क्या होता है, cos थीटा कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं हम लोग, व्हाट इज द फार्मूला. ये सब बेसिक चीजों आपने सीखना चाहिए. ठीक है, यस Tanishq, I hope you understood. You have to write next time. You are promising me you can't miss out the test. Yes, Pravalika, you wrote. What are the difficulties you face, beta? Tell me.
Sir,
Tell me. Yes, Pravalika.
sir, I need to practice more, sir, next time.
Okay.
Good
Practice
marks and
more.
circuits.
Okay,
Yes.
no problem. You practice a lot. I'm not giving you the entire full topic right now, right? See, last
Yes,
time I
sir.
gave full topic, so this time I'll be giving you, like, you know, dot product of vectors as well as circles till whatever we finished by Saturday's
Okay.
class. Okay, understood,
Okay,
right?
sir.
Syllabus.
Yes.
Speaker.
Sir, can I leave the class, sir?
Now,
Sir, I'm feeling not feeling well, sir. Sorry.
okay. I think you have one more class after this, half an hour class.
Yes, sir, I'll join.
Okay, no
I'm
problem.
feeling
You want to
not
take
well.
break?
Yes,
Right,
sir.
right. You can leave it. Okay. Yes. What about
Can we
the?
also leave?
Yes, you can leave it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, yes, Disha, Srikar, and Abhinaya. Yes.
I have to do different type of problems, practice more.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So there was some emergency, so we had to go to the hospital, and I came home late. Then I'll sure from the next exam. Okay. Okay, Srikar, tell me, Srikar, you have to solve many number of problems. Am I correct?
Yes, sir, different type of problems.
Okay, that is what I'm telling you. This time you have to make sure that I'm giving you very less number of problems. Make sure that you are going through that in a neat way, perfect way. Quality should be there. Quality should be means if you are sitting for 2 hours for your preparation, you must get a result out of it. 2 hours में मैंने क्या क्या सीख रहा हूँ? What are the things I am learning from that? You understand Hindi, Telugu, right?
Yes, sir.
Telugu, Hindi both.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So whatever you are going through, beta, just make sure that you are understanding. You are going through it perfectly. You can't go with half of knowledge. See, just sitting in front of the book simply for the sake of name, for the sake of study, and let's just pack up after the two hours. Don't do that. 2 hours, what you are learning, test yourself, question yourself. Okay, that side of that type of preparation you must go through. Okay, yes. Disha, tell me, Disha, you told you just texted, but I think it is happening many times with you. Like, I see many times you're not attending the test. But I'll not be accepting this. I'll be not accepting. Yes, I don't think you the entire day you was in hospital. See, you should have asked me to send the question paper, like, at least at the end of the day. I mean, like, late evening or whatever. I mean, late night, you can ask me till 10 o'clock. No problem. I can share it to you, the question paper. No problem at all. Please make sure that it is not happening again. No problem, Disha. Okay. No problem. It is fine. Completely fine. You can't be sorry on that. It's a very small thing, please. But make sure that you are not missing out the test. Okay. Yes. Abhinaya, what about you?
Sir, actually, while writing the test, there was an error, sir. I was not able to see the question.
See, whenever you have such type of errors, like, I told many times to all guys, please approach coordinators, or like approach a coordinator, ma'am. The administration department is there. You can just feel free to call them. They are always ready. They are always what do you call that, ready to help you out in that situations, basically. But it's all about how you are just utilizing those opportunities. But you guys are not asking. I don't see that you guys are asking them. If you ask them, why won't they help you out from that situation? Tell me. Definitely they'll help you out. If at all you are not getting it, you should have informed me, right? You should have
Yes, sir.
informed me, right? Please make sure that you are informing me. Please don't repeat this again. I'm sorry. Please, it shouldn't happen. Actually, it shouldn't happen. Means happen. Please, even you get less marks, even you get single digit, double digit, whatever you get, I don't mind. But at least go through that. Go through that. Getting in touch with the subject is very important. Understanding that level of the question, just try and just touching that atmosphere of the question is very important. You have to be in that atmosphere. You understood my point? Very important. All right, so this is what the today's session is all about, beta. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please make sure that you are writing all the tests without fail, all the classes you are attending without fail. Okay, we have gone through basic class today. We'll be going somewhat fast from the next class, so you have to make sure that attending all the classes so that you can understand. If not, never. If you miss a single class, again you'll be in trouble. Okay, thank you.